Assalamualaikum and good evening to Dr. Kamarul and Dr. Hung. My name is Muhammad Nizam bin Asharuddin and I'm from BMMW2343. We are from group 10. Today we are going to present a final assessment for subject product design and manufacturing. We are choose product called shoulder brace guard. This is our group member. My name is Muhammad Nizam and Muhammad Hasif bin Zulkifli and Muhammad Syafiq Izwan bin Madahir. So, what is shoulder brace guard? Basically, shoulder brace are thought to assist after injury in a variety of ways. These include supporting the shoulder as well as compression of the surrounding skin and tissues. In addition, it is thought that some brace which limit the range of motion of the limb may decrease the risk of dislocation by preventing the shoulder from moving into many areas. Support of an injured can be vital and can speed up the recovery process following injuries. Some brace work to compress swollen joint and aid in the recovery of inflammation. Brace can also take the support of injured muscle, allowing them to rest and recover quicker. An ideal brace will have a closed fit and it will be sized in several sizes and right or left side to enable the snug fit. Some brace are custom made to fit the individual, which increase the support. We have 5 objectives of this design product. First, to enhance the functionality and features for better rehabilitation process. Second, to produce design product that capable with the criteria of our product. Next, to make it more comfortable to wear and use. Next, to make an innovation from current shoulder brace for better performance. And then lastly, to add more features from the actual product in the market.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Syafiq Izwan bin Madahir. I will present about process of design development. Okay, first step is we have planned and discussed more about the project. Okay, secondly, we have made project proposal to propose our idea to the instructor. Okay, next step, we have sketched the ideas product of design. We have sketched about 3 design and after that we have present to the instructor, and instructor choice one of 3 design and it is finalized the sketching product. Okay, next step we have do 3D drawing by using CATIA and prototype. Lastly, we have present our product to the instructor. Okay, next is innovation from actual product. Okay, this is our actual product and our innovation product. Okay, actual product, it have a tail to hold the guard from body. Okay, secondly, it also have strap at the arm, and lastly, can adjusting the size with velcro strap. Okay, we have do innovation from to our product. Okay, this is our innovation product. Okay, we have do gel pad slot at the shoulder, inside the shoulder brace guard. Okay, gel pad function is to easy user to put cool or hot pack based on their one. Okay, secondly, we have innovate arm and make some space at the arm. Okay, function of some space, it to give user more easily to wearing the brace guard. Okay, we still use the strap by using Velcro strap to give guard more fit. Okay, thirdly, we have used 3 open space at the front, side, and at the back. Okay, open space is function to give breathing to and airflow to brace guard. Okay, fourthly, we have used strap whole body. Okay, strap whole body is to make brace guard still look fit. Okay, and lastly, we have used hook and loop strap at this side. By using Velcro strap, it function very function to give user easily to wearing it. Okay, that's all from me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Maksim Zulkifli, and here I would like to talk about drawing and 3D model of our shoulder brace guard. Here we have an exploded view of our shoulder brace guard. In this view, we have a strap whole body which is located in front of our shoulder brace guard and also at the back of our shoulder brace guard. And then we have a Velcro strap which is allow our user to adjust the size and also the compression of our shoulder brace guard. And then we have an arm closure at the arm part. This arm closure is allow user to adjust the arm size according to their comfort. And then we have a gel pack slot which is we put inside of our shoulder brace guard. The gel pack is located at the shoulder part. And then last but not least, we have 3 open space, which is one is located in front, then at the side of our shoulder brace guard, and another one is at the back. And then after we finalize all the sketching and all the part, we create the 3D model of our shoulder brace guard using 3D software, that is Katia. And here is a result. And here, as you can see, all the parts have been attached all together. You can see here a strap whole body. You can see the open space and also the arm closure. At the back view, we also can see the open space and also the strap hole. And here is the isometric view, and we have this view. We can see the Velcro strap of our shoulder brace guard. So, as for the conclusion, throughout this subject, we learn step by step in order to create a product design. So before we choose a shoulder brace as our project, we do some research on how it works, what material they use to create, and what is the main problem of the current product. Then we have a discussion among us on how we can make the improvement on this rehabilitation product. Also the next step, we do the process development. So we run one by one the process development procedure in order for us to achieve our objective in this project. So in the overall conclusion, we are able to enhance the functionality and the features for better rehabilitation process in this product. And then we also can analyze the information in order to produce the design product that is capable with our criteria. And then we have generate an idea throughout the discussion that we have made. An idea which is we can make an innovation for what we can make from what innovation we can make from the current shoulder braces to our shoulder braces to our shoulder brace part brace guard. This is in order for us to get a better performance and also better functionality of our product. And here I would like to thank you to my teammate, that is Shafiq, and also Nizam. And here also I would like to thank you for our lecturer, that is Dr. Kamarul, and also Dr. Hum, for the guidance and the knowledge that they gave to us. That's all for our group. Thank you.